Hello, dear students. We are going to discuss unit number 3, that is embryology, from semester 3. And in this class, I will be able to understand the contributions of different embryologists from India. So before that, we'll start what is this branch called embryology. The branch of botany which deals with development of plant embryo is called plant embryology, which includes the events which are occurring before fertilization as well as the events after fertilization. These are called as pre-fertilization and post-fertilization events. As we can see in this slide, Professor Panchanan Maheshwari is regarded as father of Indian plant embryology because of his great contributions to the field of embryology in India. His key contributions to the field of embryology include establishment of globally recognized research program in plant embryology at University of Delhi. He also developed techniques of test tube fertilization in flowering plants, which was significant for plant breeding. He also wrote a famous book entitled Introduction to Embryology of Angiosperms. His research area focused on culture of excised embryos and shoot meristems. He also developed many textbooks in biology for higher secondary schools in India. Next scientist is from Karnataka, named Professor Basavangudi Gundappa Lakshminarayan Swamy, popularly known as Professor BGL Swamy. He was a prominent Indian botanist, academician, and a great Kannada writer. He was the son of D.V. Gundappa, a famous Kannada writer and a philosopher. Professor Swamy served as a head of botany department as well as principal at Presidency College, Chennai. He and his father are recognized as the first father-son duo to receive Sahitya Akademi Award. His contributions to the botany include establishing connections between root and stem through the anatomical studies, and his greater contribution in the field of embryology include study of various stages of embryo development in orchids. He also described new plants and named them as Ascarina Maheshwari and Sacrandra Irving Bailey after his mentors. He was awarded Birbal Sahani Gold Medal in 1976 by the Government of India for the contributions in botany. He was a writer to convey the essence of plant biology to the non-scientific persons by writing many Kannada books. He also contributed as a co-author to write a famous book From Flowers to Fruit, Embryology of Flowering Plants along with K.V. Krishnamurti. The next person is a very popular famous personality from India. He is Professor M.S. Swaminathan. Professor M.S. Swaminathan is considered as father of Green Revolution in India due to his contributions to the development of high-yielding varieties of rice and wheat. He was a student of Norman Borlaug, who is considered as father of Green Revolution in the world. He brought some varieties from Norman Borlaug and studied and cultivated them to adapt to the Indian climatic conditions. For this great contribution, we remember M.S. Swaminathan as father of Green Revolution in India. His work majorly focused on cytogenetics, study of chromosomes and their behavior during cell division, particularly in plants like potato and wheat. He was interested in developing new crop varieties with enhanced traits like higher yield, disease resistance, and adaptations to various environmental conditions. His one more area of research focused on development of mutant varieties by exposing the plants to ionizing radiations. Finally, we have one more famous personality to be studied is Professor K.C. Mehta. He was an Indian eminent scientist specialized in plant pathology, specifically focusing on fungal diseases like rusts and smuts affecting important crops like wheats. His key contributions include understanding rust recurrence, his research was groundbreaking on the recurrence of wheat rust in the northern plains of India. He investigated environmental factors affecting the viability of fungal spores, specifically uridospores, and discovered that high summer temperatures in the plains killed the spores, preventing them from surviving year round. Tracing the source of infections, to understand the source of infection for new seasons, he established laboratories both in warmer climates in Agra and in cooler climates like Shimla to study the movement of rust spores. His research revealed that the uridospores responsible for infecting wheat crops in the plains were blown by wind from infected plants growing later in the seasons in hilly areas. Developing control strategies based on his findings, Mehta proposed a method for controlling wheat rust by eradicating out of season wheat and barley plants in the hills and replacing them with non-host crops like oats, breaking the disease cycle. Mehta's research on wheat rust gained international recognition and contributed significantly to the understanding of epidemiology and the control of devastating plant diseases in wheat. Though his work did not directly contribute to the development of embryology in India, his pathological work indirectly gave a lot of inputs for the development of embryology in Indian continent. Thank you.